What if I told you that one of the fastest growing opportunities in the nutraceutical and healthcare industry starts with something most people throw into the dustbin every single day? Yes, ordinary eggshells. Every day, millions of eggs are consumed across India and around the world. Most of those shells become waste, but innovative companies are converting this waste into eggshell powder, including membrane powder, a high-value ingredient used in dietary supplements, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, pet nutrition, and functional foods. The global demand for natural calcium and joint health ingredients is rising rapidly. So, could this waste-to-wealth manufacturing business become your next successful startup? Let's find out. Eggshell powder, including membrane powder, is produced by collecting, cleaning, sterilizing, drying, and finally grinding eggshells while preserving or separately processing the inner eggshell membrane. The eggshell is composed primarily of natural calcium carbonate, while the membrane contains valuable proteins such as collagen, elastin, glucosamine, and hyaluronic acid, making it highly sought after in the nutraceutical and wellness industries. As consumers increasingly prefer natural, clean label ingredients over synthetic alternatives, demand for eggshell-derived ingredients is growing across multiple sectors. This is not a niche product anymore. The global eggshell membrane powder market was valued at approximately $1.44 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach nearly $2.8 billion by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate of around 8.7%. Demand is being driven by joint health supplements, healthy aging products, cosmetics, and sustainable ingredient sourcing. The broader eggshell membrane segment is also forecast to grow at around 9% compound annual growth rate through 2035, supported by increasing demand from nutraceutical and personal care industries. India is emerging as an attractive manufacturing destination due to its massive poultry industry, growing nutraceutical market, and expanding export opportunities. With rising healthcare awareness, an aging population, and increasing consumption of dietary supplements, demand is expected to remain strong for years to come. One of the biggest strengths of this business is its diverse customer base. Eggshell powder, including membrane powder, is widely used in nutraceutical companies, pharmaceutical manufacturers, calcium and bone health supplements, joint health formulations, food fortification, cosmetics and skincare, biomedical research, animal feed manufacturers, pet nutrition companies, agriculture and specialty fertilizers. This means entrepreneurs are not dependent on just one industry. They can supply multiple B2B sectors. Growing participation from established companies validates the commercial potential of this industry. Global players include Biova LLC, Cupai Corporation, Egnovo, Stratum Nutrition, Mitsubishi Biopharma, Microco Research Laboratories, and Ecovatex Solutions, among others. These companies have developed branded eggshell membrane ingredients for nutraceutical and wellness markets. Their continued investment demonstrates that demand is driven by long-term trends rather than short-term hype. So why should entrepreneurs pay attention? First, the primary raw material, eggshell waste, is often inexpensive and readily available from hatcheries, food processors, bakeries, hotels, and egg processing units. Second, you're converting a low-value waste stream into a high-value industrial ingredient. Third, the industry aligns with the global movement towards sustainability and circular manufacturing. Additional advantages include waste-to-wealth opportunity, import substitution potential, export possibilities, strong B2B demand, scalable production, suitable for MSMEs, growing nutraceutical sector, long-term demand driven by health and wellness trends. Every successful manufacturing business begins by solving a growing market need. Today, consumers are investing more in preventive healthcare, bone health, mobility, and natural wellness products. Companies need reliable suppliers of high-quality natural ingredients. At the same time, organized manufacturing capacity for premium eggshell-derived ingredients remains relatively limited compared with future demand. This creates opportunities for entrepreneurs who focus on quality standards, certifications, and consistent supply. While no business can guarantee profits, a well-planned manufacturing unit serving domestic and export markets can position itself for long-term growth through industrial expansion and value-added product development. Depending on your project size and location, entrepreneurs may be eligible for support through MSME development schemes, Startup India, PMEGP, CGTMSE collateral-free loan support, Stand Up India, state industrial promotion policies, export promotion initiatives, technology upgradation assistance for manufacturing. Eligibility varies by state and business structure, so detailed project planning is essential before applying. If you're serious about entering this business, preparation is just as important as the opportunity. NPCS helps entrepreneurs with detailed project reports, DPR, Techno-Economic feasibility reports, complete manufacturing process guidance, machinery selection, raw material sourcing, plant layout planning, financial projections, profitability analysis, market research, business planning, investment guidance, end-to-end project consultancy. These resources help entrepreneurs make informed investment decisions before establishing a manufacturing plant. Eggshell powder, including membrane powder, represents a compelling example of turning industrial waste into value-added products for fast-growing health and wellness markets. If you're searching for a manufacturing business backed by sustainability, multiple industrial applications, and expanding global demand, this sector deserves serious evaluation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more manufacturing business opportunities. If you'd like to explore this industry in greater depth, contact NPCS for a detailed project report and complete project consultancy. Remember, successful manufacturing businesses are built on research, planning, and execution, not shortcuts. The next industrial opportunity could begin with something as simple as an eggshell.